What's the meaning of carelessness? Carelessness. Carelessness.
Carelessness. Carelessness. Carelessness refers to a lack of attention or consideration towards something which can result in mistakes, accidents, or negative consequences. When someone is careless, they do not take the necessary precautions or pay enough attention to details which can lead to avoidable errors. This behavior can have serious repercussions, such as causing harm to oneself or others, damaging property, or impacting personal or professional reputation. Over time, a pattern of carelessness can lead to a loss of trust or confidence from others and can hinder one's ability to succeed in various aspects of life.